Turn on the subtitle for a better experience.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Pero Akira Rabani. I'm from State Vocational High School 3 of Surabaya. So, of those who don't know, SketchUp is modeling software used for designing and modeling. It has been widely used, especially in civil engineering, because it has simple UI to understand. So, just like in the title, I will show you all the basic steps how to use SketchUp.
But before we start, make sure all the tools needed are ready. The tools we need are the computer or laptop as our main platform to use the software and the SketchUp itself. So let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is open our SketchUp app and choose the unit that suits you. As example, I chose millimeter because more precisely, and click create. It will show us an empty space with a various tool option. If it don't show any tools on your screen, click View on your upper screen and search for toolbars. This will reveal all the hidden tools. If you want to display it, click the check mark on the tools and it will appear on the main screen. Next up, we have the camera tools. To move your camera view, hold your middle button on your mouse to rotate. Hold shift button and middle button to move your camera. And scroll button, zoom in and zoom out. And now, to start drawing, we start with the line tools. Click any area on the base plate and determine the direction you want. If you want to make the line more precisely, do the same thing as before and then change the line you want. Then, to move your line, you can use the Move tools. Or click M on your keyboard and select your starting location. Then, move it into the new location. You can do the same as copy using the Move tools and hold your Control button. Next, we have the Rotate tools. For rotate the direction of your line, click on the Rotate tools on the toolbars and choose the starting location. When you have chosen the location, move your cursor on the direction you want and then click Enter. Next, we have the Shape Line tools. These tools will automatically create the desired shape. To use these tools, click on the shape tools you want. As a sample, I use rectangle shape for this one. And then click any area of the base plate. Now, if you want to have more precise dimension, you can change dimension by entering the length and then adding the semicolon as a time symbol. After that, enter the width size and then click Enter. Now, to make your shape line into 3D, use Pull tools on your toolbars, or you can click P on your keyboard. To use these tools, simply point and hold your cursor across your shape line, and then pull it up. These tools work on all sides of your object. And finally, after you make your object into 3D, make sure your object has its own group. This group system is useful for separating this group from the other group, so that the object will not merge with the other object and will be a separate object. To do it, you can select on your object and then click right and search for Make a Group. Then we have the Offset tools. These tools allow you to create a parallel line or shape at a specified distance from an original edge or face. To make it more simple to understand, just imagine you want to build a frame picture, and then you want to add a thickness of your frame. This is where the Offset tools comes in handy. So to use it, take the Offset tools on your toolbars, or click F on your keyboard, and then click on the edge or face you want to offset. Then move your cursor to the desired distance for the offset. Now, we got a two separate layer. Since we want to turn a frame picture, we're gonna remove this one on the center. Then we're gonna pull the layer up and done. We got a frame picture. And congrats, you have learned all the basic steps to use SketchUp. So that's the end of this video. I hope with this video you can use SketchUp to more advanced in the future. So that's all I can say. Thank you for watching.